So I have one last question before, like, we kind of head to the last part of the episode, which is like, okay, so there are quite a few people who today, like, think about becoming creators in some form, whether it's like content or something, or like, building a side projects, like to solve a clear-cut problem statement or something on those lines.
Hmm.
What are some of the advices that you would probably like, share with someone who's like just getting started, so that like, they can avoid mistakes or like, yeah.
Okay. So first being for becoming a great builder, you don't need to be best in your skill set. Like you don't need to become the best designer or best developer. You just need to have that will that if I have started something, I will definitely ship it. And if you're super confident on your problem statement, then you should obviously go about it. In addition to that, even if you don't have these skill sets, we have a lot of no-code tools which can help you out. If you still are underconfident or don't have time for learning these no-code tools, seek out for help. Like seek out for the skill sets you need. Ask for help from developers or designers. Be there for each other. Build upon each other's skill sets and ship great stuff. So with no code tool you can't give like this reason that you don't have the skills is not valid. You can at the end of the day also ship something as simple as a curation product which can be helpful for a lot of people, or a retweet bot or anything, or maybe even a simple magazine sort of stuff which will help you for a particular subject. Even that's a good side project. But build, and if you start, even if you start a small side project building, a bigger one will become easier for you. So start small but start somewhere. And second one, which is something I'm still trying to learn, is leaving your comfort zone. Like not being shy of asking for help, reaching out to folk, increasing your network and relationship with other people. Because the more you interact, the more you increase your surface area of serendipity. What? Okay, I forgot the pronunciation. And in that way, you get relevant folks who are interested in the same problem statements you are trying to solve. So that is something people should do. Third is I might be biased here, but I love building in a team. I can't, well, I can build alone, but building in a team is so much more fun. It makes your job much more easier. It keeps everyone accountable, and you actually get things done. So, if possible, build in a team. Otherwise, take help of no code tools, and you can build alone too. Fourth is that side projects are a really good way of judging your technical core skills, judging your interpersonal skills, and in general, it teaches you a lot about yourself, like how you are as a person, how do you interact with other people, and how do you weigh them in your life. There are a lot of things which you learn side projects, and also they open up multiple doors for you. Like a lot of my friends have started earning good side income because of side projects. It also gives you good amount of exposure, and in general it makes you a very interesting person. Like you have so many stories to tell, makes you good like you will have something to say in every conversation, and you get to be in interesting podcasts like product stories, or you can also get opportunities at radio and all. So there are multiple upsides to a side project.